Unraveling Wireless Wisdom, a guide to understanding modern phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, wireless wisdom. This modern expression is not just about technology, but also about how knowledge and ideas are shared in today's digital world. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Wireless refers to the technology that allows the transmission of data over the air, without the need for physical connections like wires or cables. It's a cornerstone of modern communication, enabling everything from mobile phone calls to internet access. When we say wireless, we're talking about a world connected through invisible signals, representing freedom and flexibility in how we access information. Wisdom is more than just knowledge. It's about having the insight and understanding to apply knowledge in practical, meaningful ways. Wisdom is often seen as deep and valuable, accumulated through experiences and reflection. In our context, wisdom is the rich, insightful information or knowledge that one possesses. When we combine these two terms, wireless wisdom metaphorically describes knowledge and insights shared and accessed through modern, wireless technology. It's not just about the facts available online, but the deeper understanding and practical application of this information. Wireless wisdom symbolizes the new era of learning and knowledge sharing, where insights are not bound by physical constraints and are accessible to everyone, everywhere. In today's digital age, wireless wisdom is incredibly relevant. It highlights how learning and knowledge sharing have evolved. We're no longer restricted to traditional sources like books or physical classrooms. Now, we have the world's wisdom at our fingertips, available anytime, anywhere, thanks to wireless technology. And that's wireless wisdom for you. A phrase that encapsulates the essence of modern knowledge sharing in our increasingly connected world. We hope this video has been enlightening and has expanded your understanding of how English language evolves with technology. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!